Hi flower friends, we are back with a how-to video. We get lots of questions about how to keep your holiday or Christmas centerpiece fresh and looking stunning for all of the holiday festivities. And our main recommendation, if you've got a traditional Christmas centerpiece like you see here, you want to be sure to check the water levels. So all you have to do is take your finger down to the lip of the container and just check to see if there's any actual fresh water in there. And this one, there's a bit down at the bottom, but it could use some more because the evergreens, the pine and the cedar do like to drink some water. And so I recommend using a watering can just because that way you don't have to worry about it spilling. Now, I do also recommend that if you have a wood tablecloth or a tablecloth or a wood table that you don't want to get water on because it might cause a little water spot, to take your centerpiece into the kitchen or someplace that it's okay if the countertop gets a little wet, and then you can wipe it clean. So really the best way to keep your fresh flowers looking fresh and happy is to just give them a little bit of water every other day or so. And if you have a vase arrangement, you certainly want to change that water every 2 to 3 days because that really keeps the flowers nice and happy. Of course, if you have other questions on how to keep your Christmas centerpiece or Christmas flower arrangements fresh and happy, New Mexico Flower Company would love to help you. Contact us online or give us a call. We'd be happy to help. We hope you enjoy your holidays and your beautiful flowers.